I'm Matt Marshall, I'm the site manager here at Navini. Basically I oversee everything, all the subcontractors, and make sure we're on time with progress and delivering a safe and spectacular project. Right now, obviously we're down in the basement. Our next goal is to achieve the ground slab in the basement. That'll be happening in the next couple of weeks. After we pour the ground slab, we'll be working on all things vertical, which will be the columns and the basement walls, and that'll ultimately lead to the ground level slab. The EV Belt team really like to utilise the trades that they've used in the past, that have got the experience. More than ever, they've got the relationship. Our projected delivery date is late 2024. Presently, we're on target and achieving all our desired goals.